Want to schedule a Facebook post so it publishes automatically later? You can do it directly from Facebook, and the process only takes a few minutes. The easiest way is through Meta Business Suite, especially if you're managing a Facebook page. Start by opening Facebook and going to the page where you want to publish your post. From the page, open Meta Business Suite. Once you're inside, look for the option to create a new post. Click Create Post, then choose the Facebook page where you want the post to appear. Now you can add everything you want in the post. Write your text, and if you want, add a photo, video, link, or other media. Before publishing it, look for the scheduling option instead of selecting Publish immediately. Choose Schedule. Now select the date and time when you want Facebook to publish the post. For example, you could schedule it for tomorrow morning, or choose a specific time when your audience is usually active. Once you've selected the date and time, check the post one more time to make sure everything looks correct. Then click Schedule. Facebook will save the post and automatically publish it at the date and time you selected. You can also go back into Meta Business Suite later to see your scheduled content. From there, you can review upcoming posts and, if necessary, edit, reschedule, or delete a scheduled post before it goes live. One important thing to remember is that scheduling options can vary depending on whether you're posting from a Facebook page, a personal profile, or a group. If you don't see the schedule option, make sure you're using a page or an account with the appropriate publishing permissions. And that's it. You don't need to stay online when the post is supposed to be published. Once Facebook has scheduled it successfully, the platform handles the publishing for you. So if you have several posts ready to go, scheduling them in advance can save you a lot of time and help you keep your Facebook page active without having to publish everything manually.